Hey everybody, Chris here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the oil and filter on a 2010 to 2014 Subaru Outback. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be changing the oil and filter on this 2014 Subaru Outback 2.5 Limited, and procedures will be similar on a lot of Outback models from 2010 to 2014, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface. Lift and support the front of the car if needed. Slide your drain pan into place, and use your ratchet and 17mm socket to loosen the drain plug. Remove it by hand the rest of the way, along with the old crushed washer, and wait for the oil to drain completely. Once the oil's drained, use a shop towel or rag to wipe down the oil pan and the plug. Reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, and use your torque wrench and 17mm socket to tighten it to 30 foot-pounds. Now open the hood and remove the oil filter. In some cases you'll be able to do this by hand, but you may need an oil filter wrench. Wipe down the area with a shop towel or rag so you get a good seal when you install the new filter. Check to make sure the old O-ring came off with the filter you removed. Use some fresh oil to lubricate the O-ring on your new filter, and thread it into place. Once the filter is in place, give it another 7/8 of a turn, or if you're using your torque wrench, tighten to 9 foot-pounds. Remove the oil fill cap. Synthetic isn't required, but it is recommended. Today I'll be adding Syntec 0W20 Full Synthetic. Once you've added the oil, use the dipstick to check the level. If the level is good, start the car and let it run for a few minutes, and check for any leaks. If there aren't any leaks, turn the car off and check the oil level again. Add oil if needed, and replace the oil fill cap. Close the hood, and make sure you remove the drain pan from underneath the car. If you've raised the front end, you can lower it now. And that's it. You'll find everything that you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our how-to videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.